Guys, it's finally here. I want to introduce you to the new and redesigned Dermadry. So we'll get into all the cool new features and then do a quick how-to. So the first new feature is the compact case. It's smaller, so it's easier to transport and easier to store. And as you can see, now there's the strap holding the two trays together. That way you don't have to separate them manually. Okay guys, let's do this. So another cool feature is this built-in water line. That way you know exactly how much water to put in each tray for your treatment. And notice this built-in armrest for a much more comfortable experience. So another cool new feature are our perforated silicone mats. They're soft and waterproof, therefore the treatment requires less water. So the last cool new feature I want to share with you guys are the Silicone Electrodes. So they're corrosion-resistant, flexible, and highly durable. So just like for your hands and feet treatment, your underarm treatment is now aluminum-free. So guys, now that I showed you all the new features, let me show you how easy it is to use them. Now time to relax for 20 minutes, watch my favorite Netflix show, and don't forget, our sweat experts are available 24/7. So see you next time, and stay dry with Dermadry.